Introducing the Scudo Core Chrome Concealed Shower Set with Fixed Head and Handset Riser Kit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Enrich your daily shower routine with the Scudo Core Chrome Concealed Shower Set, crafted from superior brass material and boasting a stunning chrome finish. This shower set boasts both elegance and durability. The round shower arm and concealed shower valve provide a seamless appearance for your bathroom. The adjustable riser kit lets you customize the height to suit, and the wall-mounted fixed rainfall head creates a luxurious cascade of water for an indulgent shower. You can choose from the two supplied handle options, the diamond cross hatch or the smooth appearance, to suit your personal preference. Designed to last, it ensures you can enjoy a lavish shower experience every day. Update your bathroom with the Scudo Core Chrome Concealed Shower Set for a rejuvenating and luxurious experience, and bid farewell to ordinary showers. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Core range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.